Welcome to this introduction of the AdvocoNetPBX user portal. The user portal is a web page on the internet that offers the user a fast and easy way to make calls, manage shared and private contacts, and interact with the company's switch from anywhere. This introduction will provide you with an overview of how you can handle your telephony through your own personal web portal. I will start with entering my personal username and password and click Log On. In front of me, I now have the home page of my personal web portal. I can have up to 5 phones in my list of phones. I happen to have 3 phones: my desk phone, my mobile phone, and my soft phone. I can control what phone I want my personal calls and group calls to be answered on, and what phone I want to call out with from the web portal. Here is a list of the groups I'm a member of. To select which group I want to be logged into, I just tick the box next to the group name under Choose Group. In the field above the list of phones, I can see and edit my current presence and absence information. When I click on Change Presence Information, it automatically takes me to the page Call Routing, the page where I set my presence and absence information. I can choose between 3 different types of presence settings: From Now, Scheduled, and Reoccurring. I have a 1-hour-long meeting starting now. During the meeting, I will redirect all my incoming calls to my voicemail. In the information field that will be visible to my colleagues and switchboard operator, I will write Board Meeting and click Save. If I go back to the home page, I can see that my current presence and absence information has been updated. I can easily delete my presence information by clicking on the Delete button. How do I make a call from the user portal? Either I type in the telephone number in the number field and click the phone icon to connect my call, or I type in the name of the person in the contacts catalog that I want to call. I will search for my colleague Richard. Here are all the hits on Richard in the contacts catalog. There is only one Richard in the contacts catalog, and that is the Richard that I want to call. To call him, I just click on his number. I can now see that my call is connected because I'm automatically taken to the page Call Control. What happens now is that I'm called up on the phone I have selected, and then the system calls Richard. On the page Call Control, I can now see that I have an ongoing call with Richard. I can transfer my ongoing call by typing any number and clicking Blind Transfer. To end my call, I just hang up the phone or click End Call in the user portal. On the call log page, I can view a list of my calling history. Just like in a mobile phone, I can sort by all, answered, dialed, missed, and diverted. To call a person in my call log, I click on the phone number and my call is connected. On the page Contacts, I can view all my saved contacts. I can sort my contacts based on name, company, or other definitions. All of my contacts are synchronized with my contacts in Outlook. Here I can see a presence icon that indicates that my colleague is busy and information on why he or she is not available. On the Settings page, I can change my user information, such as name, number, address, and more. I can also change language and password on the user portal. To learn more about AdvocoNetPBX, please visit www.advoco.se.